Ever wondered how to move a bunch of issues from one epic or feature to another in Jira without doing it one by one? Maybe your team's plans have changed and you need to reorganize your backlog fast. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to shift issues from one epic or feature to another using Jira's built-in tools, all in just a few steps. By the end, you'll know how to tidy up your board and keep your project perfectly organized, no more manual updates. Let's dive right in. First up, we need to search for the issues you want to move. Head over to the Issues or Filter search page in Jira. This is where you can build powerful queries to find exactly what you need. If you've never used JQL before, don't worry. It's really just a way of telling Jira what you're looking for, like a superpowered search bar. For example, if your old epic's key is Project 123, you can type parent equals Project 123, or depending on your setup, try issue in linked issues, Project 123, into the JQL query box. What this does is instantly bring up every issue that's currently connected to that epic, which is crucial, because you don't want to miss anything. Take an extra moment here to check your results and make sure it's pulling in every relevant issue. Once the search results are on your screen, you're ready for bulk changes. This is where things get powerful. In the top right corner of your issue list, you'll see a button called Tools. Click that, then choose Bulk Change. Sometimes this part trips people up, so just take it slowly. A list of your selected issues will appear. Simply check the boxes next to each issue you want to move. You can usually select all of them at once, but if there are one or two you want to leave behind, just leave those unchecked. Once you've double-checked your selection, hit Next. Now it's time to actually edit the issues. The system will ask what you want to do. In this case, you want to choose Edit Issues and then go ahead and click Next again. You'll see a list of fields you can update for all the selected issues at once. Here's the important part. Look for the epic link, or sometimes it's called the parent field, depending on how your Jira instance is set up. Select that and then enter the key of the new epic or feature you want these issues to belong to, something like Project 456. Jira might auto-suggest the epic key as you type, so pay attention and select the right one. When you're ready, click Next to review your changes. It's a good idea to pause here and make sure everything looks right, because once you confirm, these issues will all be moved. Ready. Hit Confirm and give Jira a moment. It's doing a lot behind the scenes. After the process finishes, you'll want to double-check that everything went smoothly. Head to your new epic or feature and look for all the issues you just moved. You should see them listed there. For extra peace of mind, you can run the original search from step 1. Just swap in the old epic key. If your bulk edit worked, those issues should no longer appear under the old epic. Likewise, you can search for the new epic to confirm everything's in its right place. And that's it. You've just saved yourself potentially hours of manual editing, no more opening each issue one by one. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave any questions or thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another Jira tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.